Today we're showing you a 2014 New Holland T4.95 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a New Holland 665 TL quick attach front loader. The tractor has just over 2,500 hours. It's a nice, clean, good running tractor. The tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery, so you can buy with confidence. Again, it does come with a 665 TL front end loader. It's a skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Got a little bit of wear here on your cutting edge, certainly still usable. Paint's good on the tractor and loader. You do have a little bit of scuffing here in the cylinder on both sides. This front right tire has been replaced. Back tires are original. It's got the 18.4 R34 rear tires. The radials are in really nice shape. Mid-loader hose connections there. It's got the foldable rollover bar with the canopy top. It's got the mechanical linkage back here, raise and lower your 3-point arms. Also has a top link included, dual rear hydraulics, 540 PTO. Does have the drawbar with it. Telescopic 3-point arms, stabilizer bars on both sides. If you're looking for a clean open station tractor, this is a pretty nice fit. As you can see, the tractor's been cared for. It's got a nice suspension seat here for the operator, tilt steering wheel, left-hand power shuttle, allows you to change direction without clutching. It's got 3 ranges down below here, also has park gear on that range lever, 4 synchronized gears up top, gives you a total of 12 speeds. Loader joystick here with an easy reach. So have your 3-point controls, PTO engagement, 4-wheel drive engagement switch, and also your dual hydraulic levers for the rear hydraulics. See, this plastic is cracked and broken at a couple spots here. Certainly doesn't affect the operation of the tractor, but can't see that cosmetically. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.